So spread operator. I'll start with an array example because you can do it both with an array and an object. So fundamentally, the spread operator, what it does is it takes what's inside of the brackets. So if you want, it enables you to make a copy of an array of an object, but since it doesn't provide the brackets, you have to do it, you have to type them yourself. Okay. Can someone tell me the difference between line 3 and 4? Or is there a difference?
I don't think there's a difference.
Who agrees?
Looks the same to me. Oh, actually, when you do the spread operator, it creates a copy,
Correct.
right? The other one just reassigns it.
Correct. So what Chris just said is that this would create an entirely new array that is a clone of the original one. Okay. This, however, is just a new reference. Like in all intents and purposes, this, like if you change, let me show you. They're both the same reference to this array. So if I change this, it changed both of them. See, so I'm pushing to this variable, but ARR changed. And it's not the case if I do this with the other one. You can see it doesn't change the original array. It creates a new one.
Okay.
Is that clear for everyone?
Yep.
I'll take this as a yes.
Yeah.
So there's a few things you can do with this. So because it takes what's inside, you can do something like this. Is this valid? I know it looks weird.
It would be valid, yeah.
It is. So I forgot to log it, but it is. It did add those things. I'll comment this out and I'll move on to objects. So if I take the example you showed me earlier, in this case, it's not a set state, but you know, it's the same as saying it's the same as this. So you can see I just want to change this variable, but by doing something like this, I change the entire value. Now obj is just false, okay? So that's an issue. Okay. So by using the spread operator, so Aya, can you tell me what would be the proper way to clone obj?
This curly bracket. And obj.
Correct. So this create a copy. And now, basically, if I change something, so let's say I change is programmer to false. Basically what it does is anything that I don't change will stay the same. Anything that I change will change. So it enables you to just like change stuff on demand.
Okay.
So you're changing stuff in the new one then?
Yes.
In the one you've cloned, not the original.
Yes.
As long as it's within that. Okay.
The thing is, in React, when you do a set state, you're saying this is this is what I want obj to be. So it would look something like this. So you want obj to be a copy of the original object, but also change this value.
So the way, like, this is the correct way, the way, like, it removed the object and reassigned the info to just false. It was because it wasn't creating a new object and it was just reassigning the info.
Exactly. It's the same as doing this.
Okay.